Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, 강아.
And Gina. Today we're going to learn how to take a bus and a subway. Last time, you remember that you learned how to buy the transportation card. And today, we have to use that. Okay, here look at the picture. In Korea, you can find subway stations and bus stops really easily. And at the bus stop, even you can check the arrival time of the bus in real time on the electronic signboard. And the important thing is when you take the bus, you have to scan the card on the card reader, both when you get on and off. And also, when you want to get off, there is a red stop bell in the bus. So you have to push that button so that the driver can notice. Alright then, let's look at the example sentences. 1번, when you want to ask that how longer that you have to go. A is you.
여기서 홍대 입구까지 얼마나 걸려요?
지하철로 20분 정도 걸려요.
네.
2번, it is used when you want to ask that how can you go to somewhere. Okay.
강남역 어떻게 가요?
3호선을 타고 교대역에서 2호선으로 갈아타세요.
네.
Number 3, at the bus stop, you're not sure if it's going to 명동 or not. You can ask like this.
이 버스 명동 가요?
아니요. 100번 버스를 타세요. And number 4, in the subway, and you don't know where it is now, and you want to ask to the person next to you where it is now.
여기가 명동역이에요?
아니요. 다음역이에요. Then let's review the vocabulary. And also, you have to repeat after us.
지하철. 지하철로 20분쯤 걸려요.
네. 얼마나 걸려요? 홍대 입구까지 얼마나 걸려요?
호선. 2호선으로 가려면 어떻게 가야 돼요?
갈아타다 3호선으로 갈아타세요.
다음 역이 명동역이에요. 네, 여러분 이제 지하철 탈 수 있죠? 네, 그럼 다음 시간에 만나요.